A journey through Iberia, Spain and Portugal in 14 days. Day 1, arrival in Lisbon, Portugal. 1. Arrive in Lisbon and settle into your accommodation. 2. Take a leisurely stroll through the charming streets of Lisbon. Day 2, Lisbon, private pastry-making workshop. 1. Immerse yourself in the art of pastry-making with a private workshop. 2. Enjoy your freshly baked creations. Day 3, Évora, walled medieval city. 1. Travel to Évora and explore its beautifully preserved medieval walls. 2. Visit historical sites and savor the local cuisine. Day 4, Mérida, Spain and Seville, ancient Mérida. 1. Cross into Spain to discover the ancient treasures of Mérida. 2. Continue on to Seville, immersing yourself in its rich history. Day 5, Seville, Gothic Cathedral and Jewish Quarter. 1. Visit the awe-inspiring Gothic Cathedral and explore the historic Jewish Quarter. 2. Experience the vibrant culture of Seville. Day 6, Granada, the Moorish architecture of Alhambra. 1. Journey to Granada and marvel at the stunning Alhambra Palace. 2. Discover the intricate Moorish architecture. Day 7, Córdoba and Madrid, Jewish Quarter and Mezquita. 1. Explore the enchanting Jewish Quarter and the breathtaking Mezquita in Córdoba. 2. Travel to Madrid, the vibrant capital of Spain. Day 8, Madrid, Royal Splendor. 1. Delve into the royal history of Madrid with visits to the Royal Palace and other regal sites. 2. Experience the grandeur of Spanish royalty. Day 9, Madrid and Toledo, design your day. 1. Choose from various activities in Madrid or opt for an excursion to the ancient city of Toledo. 2. Customize your day to suit your interests. Day 10, El Ciego, an enchanting food and wine experience. 1. Head to El Ciego in the heart of the Rioja wine region. 2. Indulge in a captivating food and wine experience. Day 11, El Ciego, tasting the fruits of the Rioja. 1. Further explore the vineyards and wineries of Rioja. 2. Partake in wine tastings and savor regional delicacies. Day 12, Bilbao, Guggenheim Museum Tour. 1. Visit the iconic Guggenheim Museum in Bilbao, an architectural marvel. 2. Immerse yourself in the world of contemporary art. Day 13, Barcelona, Goda's unfinished masterpiece. 1. Travel to Barcelona and discover the awe-inspiring Sagrada Familia. 2. Explore Goda's other architectural gems. Day 14, depart Barcelona. 1. Bid farewell to the enchanting Iberian Peninsula as you depart from Barcelona.